You finally get a new pair of glasses, but instead of crystal clear vision, you get headaches, blurry vision, and maybe even dizziness. You're not alone, but thankfully, that's usually fixable. I'll break down why these annoying symptoms happen and what you can do about it. There are 5 reasons why your new glasses could be giving you headaches, blurry vision, and dizziness. Reason number 1, your eyes are adjusting. Even if the glasses perfectly balance your vision errors, your brain still needs time to adapt to a new prescription. It's recalibrating how it interprets what you see and how it's used to compensating for your vision errors. This is more likely to happen if your prescription has changed a lot or if it's your first time wearing glasses. Later, we'll talk about how long these symptoms usually last and when it is time to go to your eye doctor. Reason number 2, your prescription might be off. Either your eye doctor or the technician making your lenses could have made a mistake. They're only human. Even a little difference between the lens's power and what you really need could lead to eye strain and the annoying symptoms we're talking about. Reason number 3, a pupillary distance issue. Pupillary distance, or PD, is the spacing between the center of your eyes, which has to match up with the center of your lenses. If your PD is off, your eyes are constantly straining, especially if you have progressive lenses or bifocals. Reason number 4, frame fit and pressure. If your glasses sit too tight or pinch behind your ears or on your nose, they can cause annoying headaches. Uneven weight distribution can make your glasses crooked and throw off your visual alignment. And finally, progressive lenses or multifocal lenses. These funky lenses are great because having different powers across different parts of the lens lets you see well up close, like if you're reading something through the bottom of the lens, and then the higher parts of the lens work really well for more distance vision. However, they take some extra time to get used to. There may be some distortion at the edges of what you see, leading to eye strain and headaches as your brain adjusts to these new types of lenses. That's the 5 causes, but how long should these symptoms last? Mild blurriness and headaches typically last between 3 days or so and up to 2 weeks. But again, this may take longer for first-time glasses wearers or if you have a big change in your prescription. And progressive lenses can give people weird symptoms for around 2 to 3 weeks, so a little bit longer. Thankfully, there are 3 things you can do to make these symptoms from getting new glasses not quite as bad. Tip number 1, don't reach for your old glasses. It may be really tempting to reach for your old glasses if the new ones are giving you blurriness and headaches, but don't do that. It'll only prolong your symptoms because it interrupts the time that your brain needs to adjust to the new lenses. And that sucks in the short term, but you just need some time to get used to a completely different way of correcting your vision errors. And you should wear your new lenses a normal amount of time. But however, tip number 2 is to also give your eyes some breaks. Just like any muscle, your eye muscles need rest, especially since they're working overtime to adjust to your new glasses. Try taking your glasses off and sitting in a dark room with your eyes closed for a few minutes if you get the chance throughout the day. That may help ease your eye strain, tension, and headaches. Another version of giving your eyes breaks throughout the day is following the 20-20-20 rule. If you're looking at a computer or something else up close to you for a long period of time, it really helps to, every 20 minutes, take a break to look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. That trick can help with eye strain all of the time, but it's especially helpful as you're adjusting to a new pair of glasses. But if you still have blurry vision, headaches, and dizziness from your new pair of glasses after 2 weeks, or 3 weeks if you're using progressive lenses, then it may be time to go back to your eye doctor. They can recheck whether your prescription is correct, if your frames need to be adjusted, or if any other changes need to be made so you can see clearly and stop popping those aspirin.